I'm a great believer in visual display. I think we respond as human beings to visual stimuli. It's in our genetic code from when we were, hunting and gathering on the Serengeti plains of Africa. We learned to see movement in the grass, and it saved our life. So we became very responsive to visual stimuli, and we are to this date. The House of Lean. Now, this is sort of a confusing subject. And if you do what I have done many times, go on Google and Google House of Lean, and this is what you will see. You will see dozens of versions of the House of Lean. And you might think, well, what the heck? I mean, didn't Toyota tell us what the House of Lean is? Well, actually they did, but they've given us this one. And this one emphasizes the technical, more. But they also gave us this one, which emphasizes the continuous improvement, respect for people, the social system side more. They're all right. None of them are wrong. And as you can see from, this one, some people have sort of tried to get everything in the picture. And I don't think that's a very good idea, but because you kind of get an unfollowable mess, if you will. But what I've tried to do, I've created my own version, and you can use whatever version you want, but we're going to kind of use this as we go through the course. And what I've done, rather than having two different houses, one emphasizing social and technical, I've tried to put them in a relatively simple form on one. Now, the roof of the house, at the top of the house, if you will, is service to customers, valuing customers, valuing value to customers. And that's basically best quality and low cost. You can think of as the two key components of that. And then in terms of how you get there, there's social stuff and technical stuff, which you're going to hear repeatedly as we go through this, right? And on the left side of the diagram, you see the technical things, and we're going to talk about each of the components of that. And on the right, you see the two core social principles of respect for people and continuous improvement. And you'll see it's built on a foundation of standard work. We'll talk about that. And stability. You can't change something intelligently that is in chaos. You have to create stability, and then you change from that stability, you experiment from that stability. So stability is important, and teamwork is essential. In the middle of this, you see the leadership principles of Toyota or lean culture. And in the following lectures, I'm going to go through each of these principles and talk about them because I think they are critically important. And this whole thing, in my view, is not a particular set of practices. It's a system of knowledge and a system of learning. That's what the House of Lean is.